Basic Setup allows you to create a basic data collection website by entering study information about start and end dates, sample size, contact information, and study web address. A study may be launched for data collection after basic setup fields have been finalized. If you have a single arm, single time point study in which instruments do not require randomization and will be administered as they are ordered on the study content page, you can skip the Advanced tab. If there are no online consent documents and the default self-registration fields of age, gender, ethnicity, and race are desired, you may skip the consent and registration tabs. You will use the Launch tab to publish your data collection website. It is recommended that you begin work on the basic setup once you have finalized study instruments and items. To begin, review basic setup default values and modify where applicable. Start date. This is the date your data collection website will be available to participants. The default is the date you created your study. End date. This is the date the study will close for data accrual. After this date, new participants will no longer be able to access the data collection website. The default is 1 year from the start date. Close data collection when sample size equals. This field indicates the sample size for the study. Sample size calculations are based on the number of participants who have registered to participate, not how many have completed the study. The data collection website will close when the sample size is reached. The default sample size is 25. Contact information for participant questions. The information entered here will be displayed on the data collection website homepage so that participants will know how to contact study staff with questions. Please enter the name, email address, and/or phone number of the person designated to answer participant questions. URL extension. This field allows you to create a unique domain name for your study. Participants will access your study data collection site via the web address that begins with assessmentcenter.net/ac1/assessments and ends with the text entered in this field. The default is your study name. The URL extension field cannot begin with a number, contain spaces, or special characters. Therefore, the default may need to be modified. Login screen welcome message. This field allows you to enter the introductory text you want participants to see on your website homepage. The default is welcome to and your study name. While start date and URL extensions may not be modified after the study is launched for data collection, all other fields on the basic study setup page can be changed at any time. To make change, simply modify the applicable fields and click Save. The change will automatically be applied to the study. There is no need to navigate to the launch page and click on the launch button again.